I never have an issue falling asleep because I'm usually exhausted from the day. Workout trainings, therapies, it's a lot of hard work. I usually wake up around 6:40, 6:45, get ready, go to the kitchen, make breakfast, and I head out around 7:35 to be at the gym at 7:45. Every day, whenever we go to practice, we basically do 1,000,000 repetitions. It's about 6 hours a day. I feel like it takes a tremendous toll on my body, especially at the end of the week. I'm completely wiped out. Sleep always helps. My bed routine consists of usually taking a shower, brush my teeth, check Instagram, Twitter, take my dog out. Lila! She doesn't have a bad night's sleep ever because she has a great Mattress Firm bed. There's nothing like a mattress at your own house in your own comfort to have you wake up feeling refreshed. Traveling plays a big part of my life, so I feel like the most sacred is not breaking my bedtime routine. I try to get in bed by 10:30, that's kind of my bedtime. Set an alarm for 6:45. Whenever I go out of town, yes, it's comfortable, but I'm always looking forward to going back home and being in my bed, my mattress, so I can sleep the best way I know how to sleep.